Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my newest retreat in a box ready to go. The registration for this is opening now and it'll end November 11th, and the kits will ship out on November 18th. I'm opening registration now because I'm going on vacation, and then I'll be heading over to Arlington for Stampin' Up's on stage. So my retreat in a box is the Kindest Gnomes, but I don't use the Kindest Gnomes bundle at all for this. Pretty much the designer series paper is the magic maker here, and we are going to use the very best occasions stamp set. And I chose this one because it has the different sentiments that you could use. So the very best occasions, we're gonna use the Gnomes DSP and then some die cuts. So if you're not into fussy cutting, this class may not be for you, because as you can see, I cut out the mushrooms, I cut out the gnomes, we cut out quite a bit of gnomes, but here's your projects. So this is a box that'll hold all your stuff. Your first one will be a calendar, a desktop calendar. Oops. And this one is a fancy fold. And this one is another fancy fold. It opens this way. And so all of these die cuts that I will send those in your kit. You're just going to have to cut out the things from the DSP. And here's another one, and this one you'll cut the DSP and I'll give you all the instructions, and then this is a punch. I'll send you the punch. And this just opens like this. You know, I'll do all the die cutting that I can cut, except for the designer series paper, but this will be cut, this will be cut. You'll have to hand cut that, fussy cut, unless you decide to add on the Gnomes bundle. So you have 6 projects. One's the box, you have 4 cards, and you have the calendar. And this is a little pocket here, so you can put your stamps in there, and this will all tie and close up. I will include these pieces of ribbons for your box, but your retreat will include a package of this fine sparkle adhesive back gems, a spool of linen thread, and then half a pack of the designer series paper, because you're going to need this for your projects. So for all of this, including the PDF step-by-step tutorial, it's going to be $50. So you'll get the DSP, you'll get the linen thread, you'll get the adhesive back gems, and you'll get all the materials to make all these projects in here. If you want to add on the very best occasion stamp set, it'll be $75, because the stamp set is $25, but you're going to save on the tax and the shipping. I have some suggested things for you to add on. One of them is the gnome set, and they do have some will cut out the pieces of DSP for you. So if you want to add that on, you can add that on. If you already have it, that's even better. And I will add some pillow gifts. I have some adorable pillow gifts already for you. So again, registration will open now, and it'll end on November 11th. So I have the registration link above this video, so you can just click on it and register. And then I will get back to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. You all take care. Bye.